What's up, YouTube? Back here again with another video, and today we're going to take a look and a little review of the Micro Eagle by Runcam. Now, I have it sitting right here, and you might be asking yourself, why isn't it not in a quad? Because especially what I'm getting ready to say, you're going to say, why is it not in a quad? And the answer to that is, it's broken. That's the quick answer. And I hope you're still here. And I hope you didn't tune out and say, it broke. Let's move on. Because I'm here to tell you right now that it is a which word do I want to use? I don't know. Fantastic. It's a fantastic and a phenomenal micro camera. However, here is the one negative that I have with this. Okay. It's a little fat. Alright? She's a little fat. She's a little thick. Alright, he don't fit everything so well. This got broken in my Baby Hawk R. And if you can see right here, that component got pushed off by the screw from the bottom. Alright, this back board is the millimeter, you know, it's the width, right? It's a little fat here because it's thicker all the way on this bottom piece. The Foxier versions, I got the Predator and the Arrow fit in there, and they would swivel up and down. This one would not. I don't know if that's the bolt placement or whatever the case. So keep that in mind. If you have a micro build that you want to put this in, and it's very, very, very tight, your micro camera just fits, maybe not get this one. But if you have some space, or if you're putting it on a 5-inch and you want to use a micro camera, buy this camera. All right. If you like CMOS cameras, okay, because this is the thing, CMOS, CCD, right? They're different. I am a huge fan of CMOS cameras, these high TV line, wide dynamic range CMOS cameras. I find the picture to be amazing. Light handling, I really enjoy them. And now they've figured out how to get the sharpness dialed down so it's not so bad. This Runcam offering still has that digital artifacting that the original Eagle had, but to me, it didn't bother me at all. The DVR that you'll see it's on its stock settings. You'll see the digital artifacting a little bit. For me, it didn't bother me at all, and you can always go in and turn it down. I appreciate the things, the low light handling and the shadow, the shadowing that you can see better. So, whatever. Honestly, I'll give you a secret right now. Predator. Foxier Predator. Foxier Predator. So yeah, this camera right here is a fantastic camera. It's costly. It's like 40-some bucks. I'll put a link in the description where you can buy one of these guys. I got this one from Race Day Quads. It's like 40-some dollars. All right. So the unique thing with this one is it's running a full-size M12 lens. So this is going to be a full-size threaded lens in here. So this is broke, but hey, this lens is still usable on my full-size cameras. And it's a full-featured, modern camera. I mean, with a beautiful field of view and all the other good stuff. I could show you the box, but again, just click the link. It's a current, fantastic camera. I won't go too long. So we're already almost at 4 minutes. That's too much to talk about it as it is. So, good camera, a little chunky on this axis up here. All right, it'll fit that way, but it's a little chunky and a little bit heavier than other cameras. So there you go. The Runcam Micro Eagle. I'll put the DVR in. You can check it out. Judge for yourself. Always, that's what it comes down to. My opinions aside. Judge for yourself in the DVR. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.